Commute by Iska Wellness in association with the Fern Society, powered by Guwahati Foodie and online partner Discoverist.
Hello everyone, I'm Suniti Barua. I'm a psychotherapist and founder at Iska Wellness. And in today's video, we are going to be covering what is therapy, what is psychotherapy, and how is it different from counseling. So if you have been following our videos, we have tried to cover a lot of areas in counseling, psychology and psychotherapy so that you can understand how you can support yourself better and reach out for professional help when needed. So let us understand what is therapy. Therapy is a specific method or way by which we can treat an illness. Now psychotherapy are specific psychotherapeutic models, or rather let's say psychological models that are aimed to heal, aimed to help recovery from an illness. In this case, a mental health disorder. There are different types of psychotherapeutic approaches, techniques and models. Now if you ask me, so many methods are there, how will we know which one to choose? So a lot of the times the practitioner amalgamates or rather combines all of these methods to give you a procedure or a way by which it can help you the best. Now this is done with a lot of analysis and by understanding your problem. Sometimes practitioners follow only one method of therapy. That too is very helpful. Now therapy is something which is aimed at long term. There are severe issues, disorders which really need us to focus on a person's thinking patterns overall, personality, upbringing, kind of traumatic experiences they have had. But when we talk about counseling, counseling is a bit more short term. For example, let's say that you face a problem with procrastination. If you go to counseling, the counselor will speak with you about how your day looks like, will try to understand your goals, your motives, will help you get insight on the type of procrastination you do. For example, are you a perfectionism procrastinator? That means things must be perfect, otherwise I'm not going to do it. I keep stalling it. Or are you an anxiety procrastinator? That I fear I'm going to fail anyway, that's the reason I procrastinate. So the counselor will help you identify these and then help you have better coping, better positive thoughts to overcome the situation, to understand yourself better and overcome. But when you go for therapy, there are specific methods. For example, using art therapy, we might be able to draw out these different sides of you. So what therapy will say that you are not just a perfectionist procrastinator, you might be anxious too. You might also have a side of you that says, I have a lot of time in my hand and I can do it anytime. But the time actually doesn't stay, it passes away, right? So therapy might help you draw out these different sides of you and build a connection through something like empty chair technique or psychodrama technique, where we have a conversation through writing or through art with these different parts and then over time build stronger, better self-dialogue. It's not just specific to one issue, one job, one exam. No, it is more long-term overall for life. So this is the difference between therapy and counseling. Both are equally effective. It's just that counseling is short term for more specific problems, whereas therapy is more long term for broader problems. But this does not mean that counseling cannot work for more long term problems. No. We can reach out to any mental health professional, and please know that whenever you have objective help with someone who is well versed with how an individual's mind might work in certain situation or how to overcome certain patterns or trauma, counselor or therapist both will work. So just to give you a brief understanding was today's video. I hope it was helpful. I hope the examples resonated with you, and I will see you again in another video. Till then, take care.